know, how do you feel? This is your first award, and how does it feel?
Hi, everyone. Namaskara. Thank you, Siima. And thank you to my Appa and Amma. Without them, this wouldn't be possible. Thank you to my director, Sudhir sir, producer Sudhir, and wonderful, incredible, and talented Dhananjaya sir, who's my co-star. And this award means a lot. It's my first one. More to come, and it's even special today because it's my sister's birthday. So happy birthday, Uttari, I love you. Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Congratulations once again. Thank you so much. Next, the award for the best